Hello students, welcome to 6th class science online classes and I heartily welcomes you to the 6th class from 5th class. In your science for 6th class, you have a first chapter that is our food. What is the first chapter name of science for your 6th class? Our food. Our food. So, completing this chapter, we will discuss about food materials. So, actually, what is the definition of the food? What is the meaning of food? I will tell. So, food can be defined as the substances which people, animals and all organisms eats to survive. Actually, food means nothing but a substances, one kind of substances which people means we and animals and all organisms, all living organisms, they eat too. For what they eat? They eat for survive. Survive means for living. Just imagine you can't live without the food for more days. Maybe you can starve for few days, like 10 days, 30 days or 20 days. But you cannot survive for a long time without food. So food is very necessary for us. So food means, the definition of food is the substance which people, animals, all organisms eats to survive, that is called food. What is the main purpose to consume food? We are consuming food, animals also consuming food, plants also prepare their foods itself. All living creatures on the earth, they consume food, they need food. What is the requirement of that? Why we need food? Because we need food. We need food to get energy, You might be know that ad, Boost is the secret of my energy. Actually, Boost is not secret of your energy. The food, the healthy food, the nutrient food, what we are consuming in our day-to-day life, that is cooked by the lovable hands of our mother, that food we need to get energy. So, why we need food? Why do we need food? We need food for consuming energy, to get energy. That's the main concept of consuming food. We need food for getting energy. How we get food? Do you know how we get food? Just imagine and write down in your notebook. I will tell whether your answer is right or wrong. Write down now. How we get food? Write down in your notebook. Yes, you are correct. We get food from mainly plants and animals. We get food from the two main sources, that are from plants and animals. So these are the sources of food. Sources of food. What are the sources of food? Plants and animals are the sources of food. So we get food what we are eating every day, in the morning breakfast, afternoon lunch, evening dinner. At the middle of these breaks, we are having some snacks. These all food materials we are getting from the plants. We are getting from the plants. So this is a small introduction part of your 6th class first chapter, that is our food. This chapter is very interesting. It is very interesting chapter. we are going to discuss about many exciting things in this lesson. I will explain later. So today I would like to give you a small homework regarding this chapter. So what is that homework, you know? As I said, we get food from the plants and animals. In your notebook, divide the page into two portions and note down and keep the heading as a plants at a one portion and animals at another portion. Now list out what are the food materials we are getting from the plants. Write down the list. And in animals, which food materials we are getting from the animals? Write down at here. I will check you later. Okay, dear students, are clear what is the homework I given to you? Okay, today homework is the food materials what we are getting from the plants. List out here. The food materials what we are getting from the animals. List out at here. In the next video, I am going to tell some more interesting topics about your chapter Our Food. Watch, share, subscribe. Thank you. God bless you.